Now I will be introducing two terms to you which is related to computer programming. They are the programmer and the user. Programmer is the person who is writing the actual computer program or who is doing the coding. And a user is a person who is using that computer program written by a programmer. Programmer will write a computer program and he will compile it, he will fix all the issues and errors in it, then he will give it to the user and the user will use it for his own purpose. And while doing programming, the programmer itself will act as a user also in order to check the correctness of his program. That means the programmer will run his own program and he will see whether the program is working correctly as intended. Then he will release the program to the user and the user will use it. Now I am introducing two more terms for you, which are bug and debugging. In computer programming, the term bug is used to refer some errors or issues in the program. So while you write the program, it is quite natural that you will make some mistakes, and those mistakes or errors are called as bugs in the program. And debugging is the process of finding out the cause of the error and fixing it. So when there is an error, first you will analyze in which part of the program from the error comes and what is the cause. And this process is called as debugging. After debugging or root causing the error, then you will fix the bug and again you will rerun the program to see if there are no more errors. Or finally, when there are no more errors or no more bugs, then you will release the program to the user and the user will use the program. In short, a programmer is the person who is writing the program. After writing the program, he will compile and execute the program to see if the program is working correctly. And if the program is working correctly, he will give the program to the user and the user will use it. A bug is an error in the program and debugging is the process of finding out the cause of the error or root causing the error.